In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find and connect with people on WhatsApp using their new username feature, so you no longer need to share phone numbers. This latest update is a big shift in how WhatsApp works, allowing users to create a unique username that others can use to find and message you directly. To get started, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. So you can launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, because this feature is still rolling out and may not be available to everyone yet. Once you have access, open WhatsApp, go to your profile settings and look for the option to create or set a username. Choose a unique name that represents you and save it. Now, instead of sharing your phone number, you can simply share your username with others. To find someone using their username, go to search bar in the chat section and type in their exact username. If their profile appears, you can tap on it and start chatting instantly. This feature makes connecting much easier and more private, especially when talking to new people or for business use. Keep in mind that while usernames help hide your phone number, your account is still linked to it in the background. Overall, this update makes WhatsApp more modern and privacy focused, giving you better control over how people reach you. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.